I'm Kyrsten Rue, the Director of the Center for Career Success at Washtenaw Community College. ZOLLER is a really awesome partner for us. Not only do they care about the education of the students that they work with from us, but they have taken the partnership with an educational institution like Washtenaw to the next level with us. They've donated equipment to our CNC lab. They've worked very closely with our faculty to make sure that the equipment is understood and being utilized, incorporated into the curriculum so that the students practice their skills in a way that really connects to what they're going to be doing in industry utilizing the ZOLLER machines. The biggest benefits of this partnership gives the opportunity for our students to practice at work what they're learning in school and then bring those things back that they've been learning at work into the classroom. It helps to lift up our educational programs as well as gives better opportunities for our students.